Alright fam, it's BeenScratching and we're back at it again. I got a good one for you today. I got 4 of these brand new $5 holiday series tickets, Blizzard Bucks. You can win up to $500,000 on each of these tickets. We got number 68 all the way up to number 71. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe onto the channel. We're going to have a good scratch today. Alright fam, it's BeenScratching. Back at it again. 4 of these Blizzard Bucks to scratch today. New $5 ticket from the Michigan Lottery. You can win up to $500,000 on these tickets. We got number 68 all the way up to number 71. Chances of winning on these ones, 1 in 3.98. Here's some of the prizes. We got 20, 50, 100, 2,000, and 500,000. So there's 2 of the 500,000s out there for these ones. Neither of them have been found, and there's only about 1,100,000 total winners for these ones. Alright, the way that we play these ones, we got 3 bonus bucks. We can reveal a 10, a 20, or a 50 to get that amount. Over here we got the Blizzard numbers to our numbers. We can also get, let's see here, the Snowflake wins the prize automatically, and we got a 10 times to win 10 times the prize. We're going to start on number 68 today, and there ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's go ahead and get to it.
You can do it!
Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Bonus bucks. We got a sled. We got a mug. And a coat. Alright, moving over here to the numbers. 27. Number 9. 18. 19. 23. These ones just came out this week. They dropped 4 new tickets, 2 new $5 tickets, a new $10 ticket, and a new $20 ticket. We scratched a $20 ticket yesterday. If you guys missed that video, go give it a look. We will have the other new $5 ticket probably tomorrow, and then the $20 ticket probably this weekend. So make sure you come back to give that a look. We got nothing yet. 14. 2. 3. 15. Last shot on number 68. Let's see what it's worth. It's only worth $5. I'll take it. 25. We ain't got it. Number 68's gonna be a loser. Alright, keep it moving. Number 69. We got the bonus bucks. Hey, if you guys are new to the channel, I want to thank you guys for joining along today. If you enjoy these types of videos, make sure you go down below and subscribe onto the channel. Dropping new videos daily. You can come back every day of the week and watch a new video. I'm always grabbing something different, $10 tickets, $20 tickets, $5 tickets. I'm always grabbing new releases, beginnings and the ends of the reels, all that good stuff. Switching it up, keeping it interesting. Number 7's a one-off. And then all the returning viewers, you guys are awesome. All the likes I get down below, all the great comments. I really appreciate all you guys. Alright, nothing yet on these Blizzard Bucks. I scratched 2 of these the other night too, and lost on them also. So hopefully we don't keep that streak going here. 25, nothing yet. That's a one-off. Last shot on this ticket. Let's see it. $5. Money back. Come on. 23, that's another one-off. 69 is going to be a loser. All right, keep it moving. Number 70. Bonus bucks. Snowman. Penguin. And a scarf. All right, 11. 16. 22. Deuce deuce. Number 5. Number 1. 14. 13. 16. Ding, 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 ding. Folks, we got a winner. Ticket number 70. Number 16, we got our first winner. We'll go ahead, we'll put a line next to that one so we remember where that's at. Woo! Woo! All right, let's keep scratching. See what we can find. Number 12. 28. 4. 2, that's a one-off. 15, that's a one-off. Number 9. Well, 21, that's a one-off. And number 1, ding, 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 ding. Folks, we got another winner. Number 1, last shot on the ticket. We'll go ahead and put another line next to that one. Woo! Woo! All right, we're going to wait to scratch the winners on this one. We're going to go down and scratch number 71 here. See if we can find anything down here. Mitten. Coat. Fireplace. 9. 3. 7. 18. 20. 17. One off. 6. 12. 19. 8. Oh, we got 9 and 7 and they gave us 8. Come on, man.
Oh, come on, man.
3. There's another one off. 11. 16. Last row. Deuce, deuce. 29. 27. Last shot on this one. It's for 20 bucks. Number 4, we ain't got it. 71's a loser. All right, let's shoot back up here to number 70. We had the 2 matches. Number 16, number 1. If you guys made it this far in the video, I want to thank you guys for joining along today. If you enjoy these videos, make sure you go down below and give me a like. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you're scratching on today. Also, let me know where you're watching out of. We scratch out of just north of Detroit, Michigan. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you watch from. All right. And also, folks, if you haven't already, we're chasing claimers. We're going to hit that 500,000 one of these days. I would love for you guys to be part of the family when we did hit that. So make sure you go down below and click on that subscribe button. All right, let's see it. Number 16, starting way over here. $10.
Yeah, boy.
All right, let's see what number 1's going to be then. $10. We got $20 winner, folks, on number 70.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that goes and pays for the session there. We had $4 or $5 tickets, so we were in for 20 bucks. We won 20 back on number 70. So breaking even is definitely a green day in the scratching world. All right, folks. Well, like I mentioned before, we got some good videos coming out the next couple of days. All the new tickets. Make sure you're coming back and checking out every day. Make sure you subscribe onto the channel. When you do, make sure you click on that bell notification so you'll be the first to know when we've been scratching again. Bye.